And if you're using your iPad instead of your laptop, you can still make this project. So to access the zip file for this project, you need to first install iZip app on your iPad. So make sure that you use this yellow iZip app, or else it's not gonna work. And then go to the free SVG library. The link will be given in the email. And from there, click on the SVG file. And this goes for literally any SVG file that's available in the VIP library and the ones that you get from Etsy and elsewhere. All right, so just click on the file and it will open up in a new window. Next, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And from here, tap on Open In. Then you'll see this message box. And from here, scroll and click on Copy to iZip. So this app should pop up and your file should open up in this app. So when you see this message, just click on OK. Next, select all the files by tapping on All from the bottom left-hand side. Click on OK. Now go to your Design Space app and click on Upload and then tap on Browse Files. When this window pops up, tap on My iPad, then go to the iZip folder and open up the folder for the file that you need to work on. Next, select the file from here. So we need to select the files with the double rectangle that you can see from here, or the file which ends with .svg. These are the two ways to recognize SVG files. The files that you can see from your eyes are not SVGs. The files with the double rectangle are SVGs, and they need to end with .svg. So once you have found your file, just tap on it and it will be important on Design Space. Over here, you can rename your file. And once done, it will be saved in your library. So once you're in your library, just click on the file and click on Insert to import the file on your canvas.